In today's video, let's talk about the way that you use reports inside of YNAB. The report section inside of YNAB is basically a platform to visualize all of the data that you've collected or that you have inside of the YNAB platform. So to visualize or head over to the reports from the app of YNAB, head over to the section which says Reflects on the bottom right of the screen. If you tap on it, there are multiple reports that you can visualize, such as the spending reports, the net worth, or the age of money. Now, the most important data or the report inside of this is going to be the spending breakdown. If you open up the spending breakdown report, it's going to show you all of the expenses that you made from multiple accounts that you may have added inside of YNAB. Now, the way that you look at this is, for example, if you are spending too much in eating out, you can add in a less of a target for next month. For example, if you have been adding in like 500 pounds or $500 for eating out each month and you think that it is way too much, from next month you can create a target that is going to be less of the current bill that you have. So if you head over to the edit plan section, and if you have a section called eating out, you can just tap on the add target option and then add in a target that is suitable to you. So by viewing these reports, you'll be able to visualize and also know the information of what's going inside of the total budget that you have inside of YNAB. Also, you can change in the date and the month so that you can get a broader view of what is currently happening. So that was the process of using reports inside of YNAB. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell if you guys are interested in more future videos just like this.